Using our favorite photo editing program, Picasa, it's pretty easy to add a thought bubble to any photo. First of all, with this picture in the photo editing screen, I have several options here that most of us are pretty familiar with who use Picasa. The basic elements to enhance or change a photo. I'll go back to the main screen here and click on this one here, Edit in Creative Kit. It's one that's probably not used too much, I wouldn't think, by most people. I'm going to click on it. It's going to start transferring the photo up to Creative Kit. This might take a few seconds depending on the size of the photo. Creative Kit isn't the fastest connection in the world. So I'll just wait a sec, let it get up there, connecting to Creative Kit. It's now loading, and finally we have our picture. So the first step now is to have a look around here. I've got basic things I can do with this photo, much like Picasa. I can crop, change exposure, colors, sharpen. I can add special effects like green fade, magenta, Polaroid, yada yada yada. A whole bunch of different things I can do with the picture. What I want to do is called decorate. I've got all kinds of things like doodle, face paint, add beards, crowns, different things. I just want to add a speech bubble. So I'm going to click on speech bubble, select a plain one. It got added actually pretty close to where I want it, but I'm going to move it over here a little bit. And then I'm going to use the handles here to make it a little bit bigger. That's about the size I want. Okay, now that the bubble's in the right place, I want to add some text. So I click on text like this, click in the text I want. Even a dog has to stop and smell the flowers. I'm going to click add, and as you can see, it's added a huge big text line across the top of the screen, also in white text. I don't want it in white, so I'll click on the screen here to make it black, because it's going to show up black against the white bubble. I'm going to now separate it into 3 different lines so that some of this will fit better. So I'm going to put a return there and a return here. Now that I've got it pretty much, I'll even make a 4th line, I think, and smell the flowers. Okay, now I want to make it fit in that bubble screen, so I'm going to use the handles. Make this as small as I want to, I can. Move it over into the thought bubble. Use the handles again to make it even a little bit smaller. Center it. Click outside the screen. And there we have it. A nice little thought bubble for Molly.